Hey, I need you to turn up the volume a little and give me all of your attention. Raw veganism will not work if you don't work it. If you don't mind, let me school you on the small but indispensable parts of a raw vegan journey that often gets overlooked and never truly explored. Okay, here's the problem. Raw veganism is not all about what you put in your mouth. Well, a part of it is. But what we'll be diving into first is what you put in your heart and what you put in your brain. See, we have this puzzle we'll be putting together in this video, and hopefully by the end, you'll have everything you need to master this lifestyle. I call it the untold secrets, or is it a secret? Well, I guess I'll let you be the judge of that. Education. Read to relearn. I have 5 books I highly recommend to master raw life. The first book is Can't Hurt Me by David Goggins. It's not about raw veganism, but it's the only book that'll run the wheels off your pity party. It's uncut and the harsh truth about why you can't get it done. The Raw Cure by Jess Jacoby. Yes, the title speaks for itself. If you are chronically ill and looking to heal, this is the perfect book. The Antiviral Gut by Robin Chutkin. Listen, the gut is about 70% of your immune system. You should always start with the gut to heal. So start with this book. The Raw Food Nutrition Handbook by Karen Dina. It's just one of those handbooks you always have to keep on hand. Patient Heal Thyself by Jordan Rubin. I love this book. I don't even know where to start, but this is a sad story that had a life-changing end using food. I could share so much more about these books, but we're going to keep it short and simple. All the books will be included in the description of this video. Getting all 5 books will probably set you on a path of great success. Herbs and spices. They're one of the most overlooked yet vital pieces in the raw vegan puzzle, especially spices. That's why reading up on them is essential to understand just how crucial they are in your diet. Spices in particular have its role in the winter season. While many are complaining about being raw through winter, nature is offering spices that's warming up the body from the inside out, along with herbal teas. I love adding herbs like cilantro, parsley, dill, chives, and thyme to my raw vegan recipes. I also enjoy herbal teas twice a day, often with a dash of cayenne pepper, cinnamon, pumpkin spice, kava, or black pepper in my juice shots. The real magic of herbs and spices lies in their rich polyphenols that offer protective benefits for the body. Get you some herbs and spices in the kitchen because you actually need them. Let's dive into some raw recipes using herbs and spices. I'll be making a cucumber salad with my homemade dressing that includes cilantro, which is my herb, and black pepper, which is my spice. And of course, I'll be adding in my usual variety, as variety is another essential part of the raw vegan approach. For this dressing, I'll be using tomatoes, dates, avocado, garlic, cashew, purple onions, and coconut aminos. One common issue in some raw diets is the imbalance between fruits and vegetables, either too much fruit or too many vegetables. The goal should be a balanced mix of fruits, vegetables, nuts, and seeds with herbs and spices throughout. Remember, variety is key. Also, all recipes will be included in the description. I know there are a ton of cucumber recipes out there, but many aren't truly healthy. This recipe, however, not only packs incredible flavor, but also offers top-notch nutrition. Plus, I'm heading to the gym after this meal, another important piece of the raw vegan puzzle, but we'll save that piece for a later video because movement matters. Are you still there? This next recipe is one of my all-time favorites. You might have seen it in my previous videos or in my Raw Vegan 1.0 bundle. I'm talking about raw sushi rolls with coconut aminos. No soy sauce here. I love this recipe because I'm currently in a phase where I just can't eat another salad. Making raw vegan sushi and burritos is my salad alternative. These sushi rolls are loaded with vegetables, fruits, herbs, and spices, everything you could want. Plus, the hint of sweetness from the coconut aminos ties all the flavors together perfectly. One thing about prepping your meals at home is that you have full control over the ingredients. Okay, first we talked about education in the relearning stage. Studying this lifestyle is essential. If you don't know the nutrients in your food, how can you build balanced meals? Second, always add herbs and spices to the meals and make teas, tinctures, and capsules with the ones that you can't include directly. Herbs and spices aren't optional. They're corner pieces to the puzzle. Third, movement. I haven't discussed this much, but it's the number one medicine for the lymphatic system, not food. And lastly, keep a clear mind. Nothing positive flows when we're weighed down by negative thoughts, feelings, and emotions. I'll be diving deeper into movement and mental health in a later video, but until then, leave a comment and let me know where you went wrong.